Okay, so this is my first example para doon sa topic nating regression. So this is my last lesson para sa subject nating statistics and probability. And for example number 1, it says, find the equation of the regression line for the data in example 1 in correlation and graph the line on the scatter plot of the data. Then predict the revenue of the company if the number of cars sold is 70 in 10,000. So that is 700,000. So itong ating data na to, ito ay based do sa ating example number 1 sa topic nating correlation. So this is all about car selling companies. Okay? Ito yung companies natin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 companies. Ito yung number of cars sold in 10,000s at ito yung revenue ng ating bawat companies in billions. Okay? Um, Pwede natin itong gawa ng regression analysis kasi na-test na natin yung correlation coefficient R which is 0.982 at alpha equals 0.05. At nalaman natin that there is a significant relationship between the number of cars sold and the revenue of the company. So therefore, we can proceed sa ating regression analysis. Take note that if we test the value of R, the correlation coefficient at certain value of alpha, and lumabas na there is no significant relationship, hindi na natin kailangan pang mag-regression analysis kasi magiging meaningless yung ating result kasi wala siyang significant relationship eh. So therefore, kailangan hindi na natin ituloy o hindi na natin itutuloy ang regression analysis. Okay? So, for example number 1, pwede natin makuha yung regression equation of the line o equation of the regression line kasi may significant relationship yung ating independent variable at saka dependent variable. Okay? So, to solve for the equation of the regression line, yung muna ang gawin natin bago natin i-graph yung makukuha nating regression line doon sa scatter plot of this data. And after that, ipipredict din natin yung revenue ng company if the number of cars sold is 700,000. Okay? So, for our first step is we solve for A and B. Kasi ang formula ng ating equation ng regression line is y hat A plus bx. Okay? Tanggalin ko. A plus bx. So, therefore, kailangan muna natin ma-solve si A and B. So, solving A and B. Para ma-solve natin si A and B, ang formula ng ating A is A equal to summation of y, summation of x squared minus summation of xy all over n summation of x squared minus summation square of summation of x. Okay? For B, formula natin is B n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y all over n summation of x squared minus square of summation of x. Okay? So, yun ang ating formula. So, sa makatuwid, before we can solve for A and B, kailangan kunin muna natin yung summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x squared, and summation of y squared. Okay? For summation of x, add lang natin yung x column. We have 63 plus 29 plus 20.8 plus 19.1 plus 13.4 plus 8.5. Our answer is 153.8. So, ilagay natin dito, 153.8. Summation of x is 153.8. Masama. And then, summation of y, kunin na rin natin. So, we have 7 plus 3.9 plus 2.1 plus 2.8 plus 1.4 plus 1.5. Okay, that is equal to 18.7. Okay. Now, kunin naman natin si xy, x squared, and y squared. Okay. So, we have xy here, x squared, and y squared. Okay. Ito lang, mamultiply lang natin isa-isa. Okay? 63 times 7 is 441. We have 441. We have 113.1. 20.8 times 2.1, gamit yung calculator nyo, that is 43.68. 19.1 times 2.8 is 53.48. Then we have 18.76. And 8.5 times 1.5 is 12.75. Then kunin natin yung kanyang summation. Summation niya will be 441 plus 113.1 plus 43.68 plus 53.48 plus 18.76 plus 12.75. So, ang kanyang sum ay 682.77. Ito yung summation of xy. 682.77. 77. Okay. Then, we have summation of x squared. This is square nito, that is 3969. Square of 29 is 841. Square of 20.8 is 32.64. Square of 19.1 is 179.56. Square of 19.1 is 364.81. Square of 13.4 is 179.56, and square of 8.5 is 72.25. Okay. Then, square ng y, direction natin. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 3.9 is 15.21. Square of 2.1 is 4.41. Square of 2.8 is 7.84. Square of 1.4 is 1.96. And square of 1.5 is 2.25. Okay. Kunin natin yung summation niya. This is summation of x squared. Dito natin ilagay. At ito yung summation of y squared natin. Okay. Sum natin. And summation of x squared is 59.26. Check natin. 3969 plus 841 plus 432.64 plus 364.81 plus 364, so sala 432.64, 364.81 plus 179.56 plus 72.25. So we have, that is 5859.26. 5859 5859.26. At summation of y squared natin is 80.67. Yan. Okay. Yan, kompleto na yung ating values. By the way, ang n natin dito is equal to 6. N equal to 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Substitute natin. So we have summation of y, that is 18.7 times summation of x squared, 5859.26, minus summation of x is 153.8 times summation of xy is 682.77, all over n is 6. Summation of x squared is 5859.26 minus square of summation of x, 153.8 squared. Okay. So, gamit yung ating calculator, we have fraction. So, we have on top 18.7 times 5859.26 minus 153.8 times 682 0.77, arrow down, 6 times 5859.26 minus 153.8 squared equals, we have 0.396. Okay? Sagot natin, 0.396. Okay. And para naman doon sa ating B, substitute din natin yung given values, ay nakuha natin mga values. We have dito, we have n is 6, summation of xy is 682.77 minus summation of x 153.8, and then summation of y is 18.7 all over natin, and summation of x squared, n is 6, summation of x squared is 5859.26 minus summation of x squared nun, 153.8. Okay, 153.8 squared. Then gamit yung ating calculator, we have fraction on top, 6 times 682.77 minus 153.8 times 18.7. Sa baba, we have 6 times 5859.26 minus 153.8 squared equals, our answer is 0.106. Okay? 0.106. 0.106. So sa makatwid, meron na tayong A, meron na tayong B. Makukuha na natin yung regression equation. Okay? Para doon sa unang tinatanong, ang unang tinatanong sa atin ay equation. Yung regression equation. Okay? Ang regression equation natin ay y hat equals to a plus bx. Ang a natin is 0.396, so y hat equals to 0.396 plus b. Ang b natin ay 0.106. 0.106x. So, ang ating regression, o equation of the regression line is y hat equals 0.396 plus 0.106x. Okay? So, that is our answer dun sa unang pinapahanap sa atin. Okay? Kasunod na pinapahanap, actually, igagraph natin yung line sa scatter plot. Pero nabura ko, susulat ko lang ulit. Okay? Okay, para dun sa ikalawang tinatanong, igagraph daw natin yung line na to sa scatter plot. Okay, so para dun sa ikalawang pinapahanap sa atin, which is, we're going to draw this line, the equation of the regression line, dun sa ating scatter plot. Okay, so ito yung aking nagawang XY plane, yung X natin, yung number of cars sold, yung Y natin, yun yung ating revenue ng ating car selling companies. Now, kunin muna natin scatter plot nito ng ating data. So we have 63, 7, 63, and then 7 somewhere here. Okay, 2.5. So we have 29, 3.9. So somewhere here, 29, 3.9 dito. Then we have 20.8, 2.1. 2.1 somewhere here. 20.8. Okay. We have 19.1, 2.8. 19.1, 2.8 somewhere here. And then 13.4, 1.4. 13.4, 1.4 somewhere here. And then 8.5, 1.5. So ito. Yan. So ito ating scatter plot. Paano natin i-draw yung ating line sa ating scatter plot? Remember, itong 0.106, yan yung slope. Okay? At ito yung ating tinatawag nating intercept o y-intercept. So, sa makatwid, tatama siya sa 0.396. So, naandito yan. Somewhere here, 0.396. So, kailangan na lang natin isang point. Okay? Ito yung intercept. Y-intercept. Okay? So, kailangan na lang natin isang point para madraw natin yung line. So, kunin muna natin yung letter C na pinapahanap sa atin, which is, predict daw natin yung revenue of the company if the number of cars sold is 70 in 10,000, so that is 700,000. So, letter C natin. If number of cars sold, X, is 70, ano ang kanyang possible revenue? Okay? Using our equation of the regression line, we have y equals to 0.396 plus 0.106 times x. We have y equals to 0.396 plus 0.106 times x is 70. So, yan. So, gamit yung ating calculator, we have 0.396 plus 0.106 times 70. Our answer is 7.816. Okay? That is in billion. Okay? So, ang revenue niya is 7.816 billion pesos. Okay? So, ito yung ating predicted revenue ng ating car selling companies kung makapagbebenta siya ng 70 cars in 10,000, so that is 700,000 cars. Okay? So, i-plot natin to. If X is 70, Y is 7.816. So, natin yung ordered pair niya, na 70 si X, 7.816 si Y. Okay? So, naandito yan. 70, 7.816, somewhere here. Sabihin natin na andito. Okay? So, sa makatwid, ang ating regression line ay ito. Tatama at y-intercept. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, ito yung ating regression line na si y equals to 0.3096 plus 0.106x. Okay? So, that is our solution for example number 1 about our topic, regression. Okay? So, I'm going to give you my second example. Thank you.